Welcome to Technologies Group. Today we are going to see how to get a fresher's job in IT. Okay, let's see what are the steps we need to do to get a fresher's job in IT. First of all, you need to have a good understanding on subjects. Say for example, if you are coming from computer science background, you should have thorough understanding on operating system, data structure, and programming language. If you are from non-IT or CS non-CS background, then at least you should have some programming language skill like Python, C, C++, and Java. Basically, for any fresher interview, there will be first round will be like aptitude test. In that particular test, they will be focusing more on mathematics, analytical skill, and some of the programming language related questions also. Most of the time, the questions in the aptitude round will be like multiple choice questions. In that time, they will ask some questions from maths, analytics, and programming languages also. After clearing this particular round, there will be the second round, that will be technical round. In that particular technical round, they will ask you to write some logic in any programming language. Nowadays companies are not focusing on any specific language. They will give you the logic, just you need to write the logic in your comfortable language like Python or Java or C++. It's up to you which language you want to choose. Mostly nowadays people are choosing Python. After this, nowadays very few companies they are conducting group discussion. Group discussion is more about like they will give you the topic. You need to speak about that particular topic. While you are speaking on that particular topic, how you are able to coordinate with your other team members, and how you are able to give a chance to them also to speak, and how you are able to communicate your ideas also with them, and finally how you all as a team making a conclusion. That particular behavior things only they will try to capture from that particular round. After this round, the final will be like a technical interview round. In the technical interview round, it will be like they will be focusing on like whether you have a knowledge on subjects and programming concepts, all those things, and they will also give you some scenario and ask you to give a solution for that. So you need to ready for those things also. Like after clearing this technical round, the final round will be like HR round. In HR round, they are trying to find out your behavioral things and how you are suited for their particular company cultures. So whenever you go for a HR interview, first you try to understand how about that particular company, what are the things that they are doing, what kind of investment and what kind of business they are doing, and what are the areas that they are focusing to build some particular product or anything. You can also highlight that one to them, so that they will understand like you have more interest on their product, and you are showing your interest to them, so that also one of the positive things they will consider you to select for that particular job. And apart from all this, in all the round, especially technical round and HR interview, how you confidently speak, that is very important. Communication also very important, but it's not like how fluently you're talking. It's like how confidently you're talking, that will make you get a job. Okay, so these are the steps to get a fresher job, and how to apply for all this job. To get a job as a fresher in any company, you can directly visit their company portal, like say for example, you can go to tcs.com/careers or wipro.com/careers. Like that you can go any company, they have their career page. Okay, in that they will post their freshers job opening frequently, or every 6 months once. Okay, you can apply to their portal, and you can wait for the call letter. Mostly they will try to call you for the written test. Based on that, you can proceed for the fresher opening.